Before we dive into our top 18 fat-burning foods, let's get one thing straight. Losing weight isn't about drastic changes or fad diets. It's about smart choices and consistent habits. And the best part? These changes can be delicious and satisfying. Also, as a bonus, we will give you some foods to avoid at the end of this video. So let's get started. 1. Citrus fruits, the zesty boost. Remember that refreshing glass of orange juice you had as a kid? Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are more than tasty. They're powerhouses that can help prevent obesity-related diseases. Imagine starting your day with a burst of vitamin C by adding citrus to your morning routine. Not only will it wake you up, but it'll also start your fat-burning engine. 2. Walnuts, nature's appetite suppressant. Think back to those holiday gatherings where bowls of nuts were a staple. Walnuts in particular are your best friends on this journey. A study found that they help satisfy your hunger, making you feel fuller for longer. Next time you need a snack, grab a handful of walnuts and feel the difference. Walnuts are fantastic appetite suppressants. Eating walnuts every day will help you stimulate fat loss and promote healthy body weight. Walnut has omega-3 fatty acids and many vitamins that can help suppress hunger, further promoting weight loss. 3. Popcorn, the surprising snack. Who would have thought your favorite movie snack could help you lose weight? Popcorn is packed with polyphenols that improve digestion and blood circulation when air-popped and free of butter and salt. So make it healthy the next time you settle in for a movie night. Popcorn is low in calories, high in fiber, and is a whole grain. It is fulfilling, nutritious, and healthy for you. However, don't add excessive butter, oil, or sugar to get all the healthy benefits of popcorn. Refined coconut oil is an excellent alternative to butter to add to your popcorn. 4. Berries, the sweet solution. Picture a sunny summer day. A bowl of fresh blueberries and strawberries in your hand. These delicious berries are loaded with flavonoids that aid in long-term weight loss. Incorporate them into your diet and enjoy their sweet benefits. 5. Whole grains, the fiber-filled fix. Imagine swapping your morning toast with a bowl of hearty oatmeal. Whole grains like oats are fiber-rich, keeping you full and reducing belly fat. It's a small change with a significant impact on your waistline. Whole grains aid weight loss because they are fiber-rich, have lots of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. But they are also heart-healthy and can help lower your cholesterol. 6. Avocados, the creamy dream. Think of a creamy avocado spread on your toast. Avocados are not just trendy, they're packed with nutrients that aid weight loss. They're rich in fiber and healthy fats, making them a perfect addition to your meals. Though avocados are high in calories, they are packed with nutrients that promote satiety. 7. Cayenne pepper, the spicy secret. Remember that spicy kick from your favorite dish? Cayenne pepper boosts your body's ability to convert food into energy, especially targeting abdominal fat. Sprinkle a bit on your meals and feel the heat work its magic. Cayenne pepper can curb your appetite and will help speed up your metabolism and help you burn calories. 8. Salmon, the lean protein powerhouse. Picture a beautifully grilled salmon fillet on your plate. Salmon helps transform fatty cells into fat-burning cells and builds muscle thanks to its omega-3s. It's a delicious way to fuel your body. Do you recognize any of these foods in your daily diet? Keep watching because the best is yet to come. Our top pick might surprise you. 9. Cinnamon, the warm metabolism booster. Imagine the comforting smell of cinnamon on a chilly morning. This spice activates thermogenesis, helping your body burn calories and produce heat. Add it to your oatmeal or coffee and enjoy its warming benefits. Cinnamon is high in fiber and can help reduce food cravings by promoting a feeling of satiety and fullness. 10. Apples and pears, the fruity duo. Picture a crisp apple or a juicy pear. These fruits help regulate blood sugar and reduce hunger. Swap your snacks with these and see the difference in your energy levels. Apples are rich in a robust fiber called pectin. Eat apples and pears before meals to get the best results towards your weight loss goals. 11. Chicken, the lean protein champion. Remember that satisfying chicken dinner? Chicken is rich in protein, helping you build lean muscle and burn fat. Make it a staple in your diet for sustained energy. Chicken is good for weight loss because it has fewer calories and is a lean protein source that can help you stay full for a long time. 12. Spinach, the green giant. Think of a fresh spinach salad. Spinach blocks sugar from being stored as fat and uses it for energy. It's a simple addition that can speed up your weight loss. Spinach has a high source of zeaxanthin and carotenoids that can flush out free radicals from the body. It can also reduce blood sugar, aid bone health, and promote weight loss. 13. Whey protein, the muscle builder. Imagine a post-workout smoothie with whey protein. It increases fat loss and helps develop lean muscle. Please include it in your diet for a powerful boost. Whey protein is beta-lactoglobulin and alpha-lactalbumin, which can convert glucose and galactose into lactose. 14. Eggs, the breakfast hero. Picture a plate of scrambled eggs in the morning. Eggs are an excellent protein source, helping kickstart your metabolism and keep cravings at bay. Eggs aid in weight loss because they can boost metabolic activity and feelings of fullness. 15. Milk, the classic choice. Think back to a cold glass of milk. It helps build muscle, which in turn burns fat. Choose milk for a nutritious addition to your meals. Because of the high protein content, milk will make you feel full for longer, preventing you from overeating. 16. Beans, the plant-based protein. Imagine a hearty bean chili. Beans are rich in protein and fiber, keeping you full and regulating blood sugar. They're a versatile and healthy option. Beans are excellent sources of dietary fiber, protein, B vitamins, minerals, and other nutritious vitamins. Beans can help reduce blood sugar, boost your heart health, and help you maintain a healthy gut. 17. Purple sweet potatoes, the vibrant veggie. Picture a colorful plate with purple sweet potatoes. They're rich in resistant starch, which reduces obesity risk. They add color and health benefits to your diet. 18. Mustard, the flavorful addition. Imagine a tangy mustard dressing. Mustard can increase your calorie burn and contains 0 calories. Use it generously in your meals. Now, foods to avoid. Now that we've covered what to eat, let's talk about what to avoid. Sugary drinks. Think of those sugary sodas and juices. They're filled with empty calories and contribute to weight gain. Opt for water or unsweetened drinks instead. Fast food. Picture greasy fast food. It's loaded with calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Avoid it to keep your heart and waistline healthy. Alcohol. Imagine a night out with drinks. Alcohol is full of empty calories and lowers your inhibitions, leading to overeating. It's best to limit your intake for better health. Conclusion. So now that you know what to eat and what to avoid, what are your favorite fat-burning foods? Let us know in the comments below. That said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. We're here to support each other, and your feedback motivates us to create content that helps you reach your goals. Thank you, and see you in the next video.